and I'm proud to introduce to you today the new Bentley Continental GT Speed. Okay, so the Bentley Continental GT has always been defined by three key exterior lines. That is the fastback roof line, the power line over the front wheel, and the haunch line over the rear wheel. But with the Speed, we've introduced a number of subtle but effective enhancements that really amplify the muscular character of the car. Starting with this new sill, with this strong three-dimensional section that catches light and really pins the car down, giving it a very sporting stance. And also we have a new Speed badge on the front fender, making the car instantly identifiable. So the front of the car features the typical unique Bentley face with the 4 round crystal cut headlamps and the large rectangular grille. And the grille itself features a unique new dark tint finish to the matrix for both the upper and lower grilles. So the most obvious new feature to the exterior of the Speed is this new 22-inch wheel, which is an evolution of previous Speed wheels with its multi-spoke design, but it now has this kind of twin spoke design with a chunkier section. And the wheel is available in dark tint, as seen here, or bright silver. This car features the gloss black wheel finish, which perfectly complements the black pack, which replaces all of the chrome trim on the car with a gloss black finish instead. So the combination of all of these design elements help make the new Continental GT Speed the ultimate Grand Tourer. I'll now hand over to Darren Day, who'll take you through the interior design.
So Bentley is the only car company that uses its badge as inspiration for the interior. These wings on the Bentley badge inspired the shape of the wings. So this trim and badging is unique to the Speed, and like all Bentleys can be further enhanced and personalised if desired, with a choice of 15 main hide and 11 secondary hide colours. And of course you get this amazing unique Speed colour split on this interior. The enhanced design of the new digital dials on the dashboard and the Speed logo usage appears when the engine's turned on.
I think back then, before 2003, we were selling 800 cars a year. And we identified an opportunity for this wonderful brand to basically redefine a segment. And the Continental GT was the turning point for us as a business. If you think again, 44,000 Bentleys between 1919 and 2003, 44,000. And since 2003, we've sold more than 80,000 Continental GTs, just GTs. The GT is almost twice as big as Bentley was when we launched it. Bentega's going to be even bigger, but that's another story. So the GT is the kind of the image pinnacle of our brand. It's the ultimate combination of relaxation and exhilaration in one package. And there's no better example of the Continental GT in that sense than what we're here to launch today in the form of the Speed. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a great honour and pleasure to be able to introduce to you the new Bentley Continental GT Speed.